Hello, I'm Joren Knokkaert, CEO of Deceuninck North America. Welcome to Leading InSight. At Deceuninck, our vision is to be your most trusted solutions provider in the window and door market. And recently, we introduced a game changer for the industry. Black extrusion technology for window and door profiles that provides in-demand aesthetics with essential performance. We call it Eclipse. On this episode of Leading InSight, we sit down with John Hauberg, Director of Product Research and Development, to further explore Deceuninck's latest innovation. First, let's take you back to Glass Build 2023 in Atlanta, where our team unveiled Eclipse to the industry.
This is where the industry comes together. This is the platform to launch a new product line like Eclipse. And from here, now it's all about getting the product to our customers and to the market and making it available to everyone in 2024.
When we are innovating at Deceuninck, we are looking to the marketplace. We are looking for gaps in the marketplace, and then how can we fill those gaps in an innovative way? So in the case of Eclipse, the marketplace was looking for darker and darker colors to match with design trends that we were seeing.
The need for black colors, dark colors is out there for a couple of years now, and it is just accelerating. And with this new technology, we have a perfect solution to match that demand.
Joining with us is John Hauberg, Director of Product Research and Development. John, thanks for joining us.
Yep, great to be here.
Let's start from the top. Tell us what led to the creation of Eclipse.
Over the last decade, we saw more and more demand for colors other than white, beiges, clays, and the demand kept getting toward darker and darker colors. We initially solved that by offering laminate product to the marketplace. Consumers kept asking for more and more through color, and that's really what led us down our journey to develop Eclipse.
How long has Eclipse been in the works? Can you share some of the behind-the-scenes R&D that went into creating it?
Sure, Eclipse has been in the works since 2019. It started with a dark architectural bronze. Of course, before introducing it into the marketplace, we perfected the technology in the lab. Once we had it perfected in the lab, we extruded window products with that and then installed those products in the field and monitored their performance. Once we were comfortable with that, we introduced the architectural bronze into the marketplace in 2020. The success of that architectural bronze led consumers to ask if we could take that color to complete black. We went back to the lab to develop pigments to create the Eclipse Black that we are now getting ready to launch. Of course, it is also in full testing, has been in full testing in the lab, and continues being monitored in the field.
Elaborate on the unique features and benefits of Eclipse. What sets it apart, and why is that important?
Yeah, Eclipse has a number of unique features. One of the things that we really worked on in the lab was its aesthetic appearance. We went through a number of iterations and material formulations from shiny to very dull, and we queried the market and got feedback from the market and eventually settled on what Eclipse is today. The big advantage for our fabricators is they can process Eclipse lineals down the same production lines that they process their white lineals down. They do not need to do any additional touch-up after welding, after punching, or corner cleaning. The color is through and through the product.
We know how imperative product testing is. So, tell us a bit about how Deceuninck is testing the performance of Eclipse.
Yeah, product testing starts in the materials lab. We want to test the raw materials that make up Eclipse. Once we have a good foundation for the Eclipse material, we then take that material and test it on laboratory instruments for weathering, for color hold, for weld strength, and then we take that product and also test it out in the field.
Let's talk about a hot topic, sustainability. How does Eclipse line up with Deceuninck's own sustainability goals? And how does it increase the eco-friendliness of the homes or buildings it will be installed on?
Sustainability is very important to Deceuninck. We start developing the Eclipse by using environmentally friendly and sustainable ingredients. Those ingredients then are able to be recycled, so any scrap that occurs during our production process, any scrap that is produced when customers take our lineals and fabricate windows, that scrap can be ground and reintroduced into the Eclipse product. And of course, Eclipse is being used in Deceuninck's window and door designs, which by their very nature are designed to increase the energy efficiency of the structure that they are installed in. So Eclipse brings both those benefits, recyclability plus reducing the overall energy usage in the buildings in which it's installed.
Deceuninck has a can-do spirit with regard to innovation. So how does Eclipse align with the organization's commitment to innovation?
Innovation is one of Deceuninck's pillars. We pride ourselves in being an innovative company. Eclipse meets these goals by offering a product not yet seen in the marketplace, a solid black window to meet the architectural demands of today's consumer. Eclipse brings that innovation to the marketplace, starting with the material development, the product testing, and then the dramatic look of the Eclipse product in the final finished window and door.
Thank you, John, for your valuable insights.
My pleasure.
As you can see, innovation is indeed part of our DNA at Deceuninck North America. Simply stated, we design with imagination. Our products and technologies continually set new benchmarks for performance and durability. That is why we hold more than 200 patents on processes, technologies, and materials. We set the standard and we strive to meet it every day in our research and development, in our manufacturing operations, and in how we partner with our customers to bring the latest products to the market. Thanks for tuning in to Leading InSight. We'll see you next time.